Hello, this is Hans from My Golden Future, and today I want to share my thoughts about Zilliqa because I'm really optimistic and bullish about Zilliqa because of the project and also because of the price. If you look at the chart at this moment, this is 1 week, it's gone up by almost 30% from, well, say $5 to 10, and I believe that's just only the beginning. I think it has a great future if it comes to the chart and to the price. So it could be twice, it could double, it could be X4, maybe X10. I think there's a lot of potential, and that is because of the project. If you look at the project and see what it does and see who's behind it, see the fundamentals, see the tokenomics, well, then you see that this is a really good project. I watched a lot of videos from YouTubers about this coin and this project, and in one of the videos they stated that this would be a real threat for Ethereum 2.0. And that is amazing if you look at the price. Ethereum went to, what is it, almost $600 today, and Zilliqa is, well, just about $10 not even that. But the potential is amazing. So let's take a look at that. This is Zilliqa the Clowns. Where does it come from? It was born at the National University of Singapore, a brainchild. Wow, what a great word that is. Of a team of academics, entrepreneurs and engineers. What is really amazing is that they brought sharding in practice. If you really want to know what sharding is, then you should look that up on the internet and see what it means to a blockchain, to the functionality of the blockchain, and especially to the performance of the blockchain. It's amazing that they put this to work, and what it means is that the Zilliqa blockchain can do an amazing amount of transactions in comparison to, say, the Ethereum blockchain. Excuse me, and this makes this a very powerful blockchain. Eco-friendly dual mining and blossoming ecosystem. Over 60 project teams from over 20 countries have contributed to Zilliqa's ecosystem. What I like as one of the things from Zilliqa is the Zil Hive, where they give opportunities to startups in the blockchain to help them and to bring their projects to a larger scale so that there can be mass adoption. So this is really interesting. It's a great project. What I've been doing to understand the power of a project, in this case Zilliqa, is start reading these kind of pages so that you can take a look at what it is, what it does, what it's going to do, what it stands for. Just look around on a website, see what the ecosystem is, what the partnerships are, what the people are behind the project. And of course, I listen to a lot of videos from different people who really understand this business. And well, there are a lot of people that are really bullish about Zilliqa, and I agree with them. It's a great project. It has a huge potential. So it will be in my portfolio for a while. What I did is I immediately staked the Zilliqas, the Zils, put them in the Moonlet wallet, which not only gives you the Zilliqas as a reward, but also the G-Zil, the governance token. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, so I won't tell you what you have to do, but maybe a wise thing to do is to study this project, this coin, understand the principles, understand the tokenomics, understand the ecosystem, and then make your own choices. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.